Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to design a player. So if your first time, please subscribe and turn on the notification to get another tutorial from me designer. So let's get started to the video. The first we have to create new document. For create new document, we can go to File, to New, or you can Control N. This area is browser detail. So for the top one is the title of document. And for here I choose centimeters or cm. Width I put 21, height 21, resolution 300 pixel per inch, color mode RGB, and background content I choose white. And for around here I put the same and create. And now we have the document, the size 21 cm by 21 cm. Next step, I add a solid layer. I click here and choose on solid color. Solid color, this one. I choose this color. The code is 1B0921 and click OK. After that, I go to View, this one. I go to Guide, choose New Guide Layout. I click on Margin. All of them I put 50 pixels and click OK. And we see like that. Yes. And next step, I add background. I go to File. I click on Place Embedded and select background and scale it. And I need to save this document. I go to File, choose Save As, and choose the place I want to save and click Save. OK. Next step, I mask on background, this one, and click on Mask. I choose Brush tool, this one, and I go to General Brush and choose Soft Round. Opacity, I put 50%, and color, make sure it's black. After that, I need to add main subject. I go to File again and Place Embedded and select it. I need to mask the main subject. I stand on it and click on Layer Mask. And I choose Brush tool. Opacity 50%. The color, make sure it's black. And brush subject. After that, I add light reflection from the background to the main subject. I stand on background, this one, and I add new layer. I choose Brush tool, opacity 100, and the color. Okay, I choose this one and click OK. And I change it to screen, this one. I add outer glow to the main subject. I go to F8 and blending option. I click on Afterglow. Opacity I put 85. Blend mode lighten, and I change color. Okay, I choose this one, and everything is okay, and click OK. So we can see the glow around here. The next step, I add a color balance. I click here and choose color balance. For cyan, I put -26. Magenta, I put -50. Yellow, I put -25. Okay. I need to add logo. I go to File, Place Embedding, and select it. This is just my example. And for another side, I add text. I choose text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I put like that, and I choose this font as well. And I need one more. I Ctrl J text to make copy and drag it down. I add another text. And I change the font. And you can put the DJ name on here. I need to add some effect to the text. I stand on it and I go to F8, blending option. I click on Afterglow, and I click on shadow. I change shadow to this color. For shadow, I choose this color. Distance I put 0, spread I put 11, size I put 46, and OK. I add text around here one more. I use text tool again, click here, and you can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I want to put effect to this text. I stand on this text, DJ name, right click, and copy layer style. After that, I stand on this, right click, and paste layer style. Now we can see this one and this one. It's the same style. I want to add text one more. I choose text tool again. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I choose this font. I put some effect to detect. I go to FX and blending option. I click on drop shadow. I change color to black. Spread I put 5 and size I put 10. And opacity I put 70%. And I use text tool again. I add contact, social media icon, website and location around here. And finally, our flyer is finished. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. See you in the video.